got medics in that way.
Why are you gonna run? You can't run when you got guns and you hurt people.
On December 3rd, 2023, at approximately 10:40 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on the lookout for Mr. Percy Hook, who had the following warrants for his arrest: 2 counts of attempted murder, 2 counts of felonious assault, 1 count of discharging a firearm near a prohibited premises. The officers located Mr. Hook as he entered a vehicle and was seen driving away from a house the officers believed he had been hiding in. A few moments later, the officers attempted to box in the vehicle. Mr. Hook, believing he could escape from police custody, fled on foot. Unfortunately for Mr. Hook, one of the officers on the stop was a K-9 handler. Percy fled, but Rocco made sure he didn't get too far. An AR pistol was later found in the vehicle near where Mr. Hook was sitting. He was charged with that too.
Okay, he's got a black backpack. He kind of exited and he stopped. He's got a white. He's looking at a red shirt with white lettering underneath it.
Stop!
He's gesturing to the driver of the vehicle. Now he's female, just gave him something from inside. Door's still open. Door's closed. He's in the vehicle. 37, you have to call from there.
Yeah, physical matches. I mean, it really looks like him. He's getting in the passenger seat. Looks like at least 2 people in the car. Got the driver and the passenger. He's still looking around. He just put, looks like a short barreled AR, pulled it out of his pants, put it in the car. That's what it looked like to me.
Come here! Foot on! Foot on! Foot on! Foot on! Foot on! Foot on! Show me your hands now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Now! Bring your hands behind your back! Do not move! Let me get the dog! Let me get the dog!
You move your fucking hands!
Sawyer! It's a good boy, buddy! Good boy! Alright. Rocco! Suspect, stop fighting my dog! Rocco! Loose! Loose! Sawyer! Let me out, my dog! My dog! Please, yeah! On this side.
K-9, you need that?
Yeah, firm, we got a code 3. I'll give you an address in a minute for K-9 apprehension on him before for stand by just a minute. Hey, take a look at his leg. Maybe we may need a tourniquet on that.
Don't come up here.
What's that?
Please don't come up here.
Oh, I don't got it. They'll do it at the hospital. Just hang tight, okay?
Let's get you in.
Yeah. All right. Hang on, buddy. All right. We're going to get you some help, all right? You good? You good?
No, I'm not good.
Okay, hold on. All right, hold on.
Can you help me, please, bro? Like, just give me right, bro.
Relax.
K-9, are you at Parsons and Ennis?
Yeah, we're trying to get Tim. So.
Okay, yeah, it looks like 501 is on channel 5 here. I think we're getting him over there. Yeah, we got medics in that way.
Why are you gonna run? You can't run when you got guns and you hurt people.
You throw my assault back for him?
Thank you.
Oh.
Stand still. Off. Good boy. Off. Stand still. Off.
1014, if you guys take a look or just copy this 34C holding on Cedar Falls, I just checked with fire. They're on scene.
Stand still. Off. Off.
Any MTR to channel 2, please. MTR channel 2. MTR 3, if you could start over for 3420 Texas Avenue. Sullivan is going in. Waiting outside here to start ideation. Redneck is pretty much transported somewhere.
Fuck wrong with you, nigga? You can't take no picture of me, nigga. You better stop playing with me, bro. You better stop playing with me, bro. You better stop playing with me, bro.
Copy the state alarm. I'm holding on Rossville Harbor.
Is there a 33? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Did
Badass, nice job.
somebody riding with the medic?
Yeah, they're waiting for 12 to get up here. They had to put a tourniquet on his leg, so.
Well, I guess I'll do a U10 on him, but for that guy.
Oh, I think he was talking about that dude.
Oh, well, I don't know if he's under arrest for anything.
Yeah, I don't know if the detective's going to want to interview him or not.
Right. I'll get his information, man. Where's his ITO? You know what? I'll do. Hey,